Eager evaluation, also known as greedy evaluation, is frankly the most common out of a lot of the programming languages such as C++, C, and Java. This means that the code is executed as soon as it's evaluated and you get your results immediately. Now, results isn't something that you're like printing to the screen, but it builds whatever you need that you asked for. It builds all of it so that it's ready to go to give you those results. So this is fine when working with smaller data structures, but if there's larger data structures that you use and you end up not using a lot of it, eager evaluation is wasting a lot of that space and time to build all that if you don't even use the darn thing. So here's two examples for this one. In this one, we're both using Python in this one. But anyway, in Python, we're going to be creating for x is 4x in range of 1,000. And then notice, so I'm creating values in, well, for a range of 1,000, but then I end up just using 10 of those. So it actually starts off at the beginning and ends at 10, I should say. So welcome to Python. But anyway, all the values from 0 to 1,000 are generated, even though we end up only using or printing the first 10 elements in that actual array called numbers. That's greedy for you. It did all of that work, and then you ended up just using a small little portion of that. That's bad. I think you can hopefully relate to that. Same idea in this one here. Is that here I created an array. I went ahead and placed it in the square to make sure that I get all my values. And again, I might not even use that updated squares, which is going to be getting all the values that are squared in. That's a whole nother array. I may end up not even using all of that, but it did all of that work. It went through a function to return values. It did all of that work, just like it says down here, and I might not even use it. That's eager evaluation. It's just getting all that work done, but you'll notice it takes time, it takes memory, and all that stuff to do that. But that's one version of using eager.